Okay, students. Now we continue in question number 3 of exercise 5.3. Okay. So in this sum, we solve 6 to 10 sums. Yesterday we completed 1 to 5. Now today 6 to 10. So first question number 6. Okay. So now we see answer number 6. Okay. So here, as per data, answer number 6, here A is equal to D is equal to 8 and Sn is equal to 90. So then we find N is equal to and An is equal to. Okay. So here Sn given. Sn means the sum of first n term, that is 90 given. So we use the formula. Okay, Sn formula. Like by Sn formula we find n here. So here Sn formula, as you know, n by 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 d. Okay, so we have a and d. Okay, and Sn also. So we can find n. So here Sn is equal to 90 is equal to n upon 2, then 2 multiply 2 a value plus into bracket n minus 1 d value 8. Okay, now we give simplification. So here 90 n upon 2, then 4, 2 to the 4 plus, then we open this bracket by multiply 8. So 8 9 8 n minus 8. Now here this 2 we multiply with 90, so 180 is equal to n into bracket, okay, 8 n minus 4. Here minus 4 how can come? So minus 8 and plus 4. So there is remain minus 4. Now we open this n, this bracket. So n multiplied 8 9 8 n square minus 4. Okay, so we change this simplification into equation. So 8 n square minus 4 n, this 180 we bring this side. So minus 180 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, now we divide this equation by 4. Okay, so we get here 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, after then by factorization we get n value. Okay, so here 2 multiplied 45 is equal to 90. Okay, then we get the two factors of 90 and we get 1n, middle term of this equation. So 10 9s are 90, so minus 10n plus 9n, then we get middle term minus n. Okay, so we use these two factor, 10 9s are here. Okay, so 2n into bracket n minus 5. Here 2n we take out common from the first two term. Okay, and from last two term we get common 9. Okay, so here 2n outside into bracket n minus 5, then plus 9 into bracket 9 minus 5, sorry, n minus 5 is equal to 0. So first bracket here become 2n plus 9. So here 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, and second bracket n minus 5 is equal to 0. So here n for first, n is equal to, if we want to make for this 2n plus 9, so is equal to n is equal to minus 9 upon 2. This n we bring this side and 2 we also we bring this side, so n upon 2, and it become minus. And for another n is equal to 5 here, so n is equal to 5 here. So we get here 2 value of n. Okay, but here n is equal to minus 9 upon 5 is not required because n is not negative. So we take only n is equal to 5. So this is our first answer. Now we find second answer, that is an. So we use last term formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here n is equal to 5, so an become here a5 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 multiplied 8. Okay, so a5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 4, 4 8 is 32. So a5 we get here 34. So here we get second answer, that is an. Okay, so n is equal to 5 and an is equal to 34 is required values. Okay, so answer 6 is over here. Now answer 7. Okay, so as per data here, a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62 and Sn is equal to 210. Then we find d. Okay, so by Sn formula, again we use this Sn formula and we find n. But here an is given. Okay, so an become l also. Okay, so we use this formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Okay, so now here Sn 210 is equal to n upon 2, a is equal to 8, so 8 plus 62. Okay, so here 210 is equal to n upon 2 multiplied 8 plus 62, 70. Okay, and 235 is 70, so here 35n remain. So 210 is equal to 35n, so n equal to 210 upon 35. So we get n is equal to 6. Now we use this n to find d by an formula. So by an formula we find d. So here an is equal to a plus into bracket n minus 1 d. We have a, then we have n also and an also. So an here 62 is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 multiplied d. So 62 is equal to 8 plus 5d. Okay, so now 5d is equal to 62 minus 8. So 5d equal to 54. So d is equal to 54 upon 5. So it is our required value. Okay, so d is equal to 54 upon 5 is required value. So here answer 7 is over. Okay, so you learn again this both sum